Hi, my name is William. I'm a heavy-duty mechanic, and I've been in the trade for over 30 years now, and I'm going to be answering some of your questions today. Where we're going to show you what tools you need in your toolbox. You can save a lot of money that way. It's not very common in our field, in our trade. There's nothing wrong with having used tools. And they have a whole toolbox available. If you're starting your first year heavy mechanics programs, you have to have wrenches, okay? It's going to be based on hand tools, so wrenches, okay, are probably some of the most important tools for a mechanic. The other thing is ratchets. You're going to need ratchets and sockets, which is very important in the trade, okay? So very important to have. The other third thing that's very important, especially in North America, is impact tools, air tools, impact tools, and nowadays they're even going with electric tools. Doing work fast is very important, and having these tools is a necessity. So the other thing that we're going to do is make a video up where we're going to show you what tools you need in your toolbox. So if you're looking for tool packages and kits to start off in your apprenticeship, FortisHD.com will provide you with a tool list and package and kit that you can start your career with. I would say you can get away with buying used tools, okay? There's a lot of mechanics and technicians that are retiring, and they have a whole toolbox available. You can save a lot of money that way by buying used tools. If you're looking for some specific tool, like if you're going to be working on maybe electronic systems and things like that, you know, you may want to go with something that's new because it will come with warranty and all these other things. Hand tools that you do buy, the more rough, rigid ones, these are normally a lifetime warranty on them, okay? And a lot of companies now and tool providers are giving you a lifetime warranty, so they've improved quite a bit in their service. It's going to be up to you and what your budget is for tools. There's nothing wrong with having used tools. When I first started my apprenticeship, I think I spent about $1,200, but I filled my toolbox up with everything I needed to start in the trade. But this was, like I said, many, many years ago. Okay, we're talking about 25 to 30 years ago. I don't think you'll find cheap tools like that around anymore. But look for deals like that. Some manufacturers will sell you a whole package, okay? And whether you're going into commercial transport or heavy duty, or if you're going to be an electrician or something else, they've created some packages for you. You just go there and tell them what you need, and they'll quote you at a price on that. Borrowing tools in the trade is not very well looked at. The rule is if you need to borrow a tool more than 3 times, you should buy one. It's not very common in our field, in our trade. It's very important to have your own tools. It's part of the profession as well. So if you want to know more about the trade and you know, have questions in regard to mechanics, you know, there's also commercial transport, there's also heavy duty. Ask us about it. You know, comment below, let us know if you have any questions, inquiries. You want to know more about the trade, tools, equipment, procedures, processes, things like that. Just comment below and let us know. We'll answer as many questions as we can. So to support this channel, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support us through buying tools or parts and equipment, go to FortisHD.com.